What's up, guys? It's your boy Lion Seals, and I'm bringing you once again another episode of SurvivalWildness. And today I'm joined by Happy123. She's back in her regular bunny skin, which is nice. She just got mad because my friend Midnight Dragon was picking on her because he couldn't see her eyes. So yeah. All right, Happy, when you when you come here, you can press the magic button of the carrot, and then you can get daily carrot. Come Happy, over here, Happy. Come, Happy. Press the magic button. Press the magic button. Go up to it. Did you get... She got a carrot. A magical carrot. Alright, you ready? Do you have enough carrots to stay alive? No, I got some extra carrots for you, Happy. I got 27. That should be enough for you. 27 carrots. There you go, Happy. Oh, buttload of carrots. You ready? Are you ready? Alright, let's go. Wait, did I grab an arrow? Oh, I need to grab an arrow real quick. Happy, I'm sorry, I have to grab an arrow. Alright. Arrow. No arrows? What's up with that? No arrows? What? No. Alright, guys, now today, me and Happy, we're going to the swamp biome so we can get some slime blocks so we can work on the bouncy land. Alright, now I got an arrow. Happy, don't die. Did I? Is PvP on? No, PvP is off, Happy. What are you talking about? That's because I set the spider on fire and then it touched you and then you got on fire. Happy, you want to see? Happy, you want to see something cool? Happy, come with me. Come with me. I want to show you something cool. Oh, creeper. No, look. Da 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 dee 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 dee. Disappear. It disappeared. Ow. No. Ah! Alright, Happy. It's turning daytime. Are you ready to go now? Let's go. Happy's eating her carrots. 1 hour later. She's still eating her carrots. 20 hours later. Still eating it. Alright, let's go. Oh, Happy, probably today we can make another episode and we can build a Pac-Man minigame if we get done with the bouncy land. No, bouncy land. It's not bouncy house. It's bouncy land. I messed up right there. Come on, you bunny. You're a slow bunny. If I had you're gonna let a little lion beat you? This is a lion versus bunny. The lion has the advantage because I can eat you anytime. So, and I have the bow, so. Alright, Alright, Hoppy, we're not racing anymore because you need to follow me and then you're going to end up getting lost. So, yeah. 1 hour later, she's eating her carrots. 20 hours later, still eating her carrots. It takes you like 3 carrots. It takes you 3 carrots. Wait, how do I say this? You need to eat 3 carrots every minute. Is that like your morning? Is that like your daily routine? Eat. I haven't had breakfast either. I just remembered I need to eat breakfast. Hoppy is asking me what my hunger bar. Hoppy, where you at? My hunger bar is full. Alright. No. I've been eating me some good, delicious, cooked, smoky, juicy steak. Hey, there's Jungle City. But we're not going to Jungle City. Hoppy, remind me that we need to work on Jungle City, okay? Alright, let's go. Wait, no, I forgot. We have to go through Jungle City to get to the swamp biome. Whee! I got my fur wet. Eat me some good delicious steak. And then let's keep on going on the adventure. Da 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 da. Oh, crap. Da 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 da. Hoppy, you behind me? Oh, I thought that was a dog for a second. What are you? Alright. Hoppy, we're almost there. Almost there. I can see it. Over that grassy plain biome is the swamp biome. Only like a couple more miles to go, and then we're there. I remember going on the trail with Mini God. I'm pretty sure we did an episode about it too. 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. It takes her 5 carrots to fill up her hunger bar. She must have a very small stomach. Hoppy, hope you like parkour, because that's what we're about to do. Oh yeah, I just remembered Hoppy sucks at parkour. Parkour is Hoppy's weakness. Look at her struggle. Look at her struggle. She's struggling. Oh, there you go, Hoppy. Yeah, you're supposed to be jumping a lot. You're a freaking bunny, bro. Be like boing, 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 boing. Whoa! Oh, don't jump in here. Don't jump in here. All right, let's keep on going. Hopefully we will find some slimes before the sun goes down, because it looks like the sun is about to go down. I can see it slowly moving. Yeah, here's the swamp. Now let's keep going. Unless you wanna die. Oh, never mind. Whee! Oh crap! I almost died. Oh, I almost died. Oh, I almost died. It's dirty water. It's black water. My water has a kind. Well, what do you know? My water has a kind. Yeah, it should be slimes around, because we're in the freaking swamp biome, so you have to wait till I get night. Hold on, let me turn it to night, because I got the power. Alright, mobs are going to be spawning. I already see Wait, what is that? Oh, no. Let's keep going. Let's keep following the torches. Don't forget about the creepers. Ah! One just spawned right in front of me. Ow! I'm on fire. I'm on fire. Hoppy, help. Ah! Nope, never mind. You're too late. I killed it by myself. Where's a friend when you need one? Alright, let's keep on following the thingamajiggies. Oh, nope, nope. We're going... Slime! Slime! Wait, is that a slime? Oh, that grass had made it look like a slime. Yeah. Ow, I'm on fire. I'm on fire. Alright. Alright, Hoppy, we're gonna keep looking around, and if we can't find the slime, it's gonna be another slime hunt fail. Do you believe in magic? Disappeared. Maybe we can summon slimes somehow. Where's DJ when you need him? Wait, is that a slime? I found slimes! Yay! A baby slime. I'm gonna take a screenshot of this. Ow! Ow, it's attacking me. It's attacking me. It's attacking me. Ow! Stop attacking me! Stop attacking me! I wanted to take a screenshot, but it just died. But I had to kill it because it kept on attacking me. Alright, let's see if we can... Wait, did I get a slime ball? No, man, I didn't get a slime ball. Slime balls is what I need. Man, that creeper head looked like a slime for real. Hoppy, you need help? Oh, no, you got it. You got it. Oh, Hoppy, you need help? Bro, I'm like swinging this zombie around. Hold on, I got that creeper, Alright, there you go. Another slime! Yay! Slime! Ow. I'm on fire. I'm on fire. I'm on fire. I'm on fire. Hurry up! Take a screenshot, Lion! Take a screenshot! Don't kill him! Yay! You got a slime ball. I was taking a screenshot. I think they couldn't see it. I got one slime ball. You took all my slime balls, Hoppy. There we go. Friends have each other's friends back, and that's what I'm here for. Eat your carrots! Eat your carrots! What? Say what? Oh crap. Hoppy, she just told me that they're a freaking Enderman. Hey man, I see you wearing a gold chain. How many carrots do you have, Hoppy? Oh crap, you're gonna have to eat some steak today. That is cannibalism. It's not cannibalism. You're just gonna have to try meat for the first time. Ow, something just knocked me. Did you? Oh, yeah, I see it. Just mind my own business. Oh, I see the Enderman. Maybe we can get an Ender Pearls. Hacha! Hacha! Oh, crap. Oh. Hey! Get here, you big booty. Oh, stop teleporting! Stop it! What the? Ow! 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 Where you at? Where did you go? Hoppy, let's do like that. Let's do like that spying thing where your back is turned and then my back is to your back, and then we're just like fighting mobs. So let's see how this worked out. Yeah. Alright, that's not gonna work out because yeah. How many slime blocks do you have, Hoppy? Oh no, another slime. Slime ball, give me a slime ball. Yay, slime. Stop taking my slime balls. Hoppy, you're taking my slime balls. That's not cool. You don't take my slime balls. Wait. I'm not sure. Hold on. I'm gonna make it night again so we can. Yeah. All right. We're probably gonna get lost somehow. Do 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 do. Oh no, Hoppy, you can't kill it. You're getting ganked. I don't care if there was only one, Hoppy. You're getting attacked though. Creeper, creeper, creeper. Wow, there's a lot of creepers in the thing. Wait, that. Yay! I see a slime from afar. I see a slime. Slime. Let me. Ow! Ouchie! No, don't take my freaking slime blocks. Yeah! Yay! Hi, who has more slime blocks now? I got 5, so what's up? No, my sword! I dropped my sword! No, my sword! It keeps dropping. I guess we're gonna make like 2 slime blocks. We need a lot. Come on, slime blocks, spawn. Please spawn for me. Oh, I see another one. My slime block. Hiya! Wow, swamp biome. Yeah, he dropped one. Swamp biomes are supposed to be filled with slimes, but like, there's like. Here, Hoppy, have some steak. I wish I had a chest. You know what? I'll go kill some ant. I'll go kill like some pork. I'll give you some pork chop. Hoppy, you're gonna eat some meat today. I don't care about no skeleton. I ain't afraid of no skeleton. Oh, I see another slime. And I see another one. Oh, that was a big slime. Ow! Ouchie! Ow! I thought that was a slime hitting me and everything. Hoppy, watch out! Alright, that gave us nothing. Hoppy. Oh, I see some more slimes. Alright, that's one slime. Yeah, hold on. Huge. Alright, I'm coming. Let me see. Oh, that's huge. Oh, that's huge. Hoppy, let them beat you up while I take a screenshot. Yeah, let them beat you up. Beat them up. Alright, you can kill them now. We're gonna have lots of slime blocks today. Bro, one slime just dropped like 5 slime balls. Alright. I got 17. Would you look at that? I'm winning. Wait, Hoppy, we need to find you food. I can't let you die of starvation. Like a chicken or something pop out. Yeah. Hoppy, come. Oh no, that didn't give you anything. Should I make it night again? Bro, these animals aren't dropping any meat. Probably because they don't want you eating them, Hoppy. Hey Hoppy, when you run out of food, I'll pass my steak and you eat one, and then you can pass it back. Yeah, that's what. Just tell me when you need food. All right. Oh, make it night again. Ow. Back off. All right, I made it nighttime again for the 3rd round, Hoppy, and then after that we'll probably go. Is my armor dying? Please. My armor is halfway. All right. Hopefully in the next update we'll have ender pearls, because I really need ender pearls. Good for you, Hoppy. Yeah, you're not gonna beat up. Out. Out. In and out. Oh, get. Out. I didn't set you on fire. Look, another enderman. Hold on, Hoppy. We're not supposed to be killing endermans and stuff. We're supposed to be killing slimes. You mean XP? You suck at Minecraft. I'm just kidding. Oh, and it started to rain. Let me turn this rain off. I'll protect you, Hoppy. I'll protect you. I got you, Hoppy. I got you. It looks like you got it. Move! Here comes. Boom! Ah. Hoppy, you hit me. Oh, you hit me. Buddy hug. Buddy hug. All right, now let's keep on killing some slimes, and then we'll leave. Let me see if I can craft any. Nope, I can't craft any slime blocks. I'm back. Wait, what? Hoppy, I was gone for 5 minutes, and this is what you did to me? This is how you repay me? Hoppy, I thought we were buddies. I'm just kidding, Hoppy. I know you tried to I know you tried to protect me. It's okay. Did you run out of carrots? Here. Have some steak. Make sure. Now pass it back. I'm starving. I'm just kidding. I'll tell you when I'm starving, and then just tell me when you're hungry. All right. No, you want to kill a couple more slimes? Oh, look at this giant one. Oh, exactly. It's a big old battle. I can't see anything. Oh, there we go. PvP. No, Hoppy, you can't die. Hoppy, don't die. Stay strong, Hoppy. No, the lag. The lag. Hoppy, watch out behind you. Oh, Pink joined. All right, I got 23. You ready to go home, Hoppy? Yeah, your hat broke. Yeah, it did. If we bump into slimes, just know that we're going to kill them. Alright, now let's make it back home. And I'll see you guys when we're back home. Never gonna give you up. Never. Oh, slime behind you. Come on. Real quick, just real quick. Right here. A giant one, too. Boom. I feel bad because my friend DJ, he's a slime. Hoppy, don't die. Yes, pretty much. You need some food? Wait, we was forgetting one. I got 32 slime balls. How much you got, Hoppy? Hoppy got 14. I got 32. Woohoo! It doesn't really matter because it's going to turn into slime blocks anyway. Hoppy, you need food? Here. I don't want you to die. I'm never going to give you up. Never going to let you starve. Never going to turn around and desert you. Never going to give you up. Never going to say goodbye. Never going to turn around and desert you. Oh, there. Now let's keep going. Let's go. Yeah. Alright. Oh, which way? Yeah, just keep on following the torches. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down. Never gonna turn. Got a spider. 3 o'clock. Hi-ya! Oh no. 12 o'clock then. 12 o'clock. I don't know my clocks, okay? I forgot my clocks. No. You just told me 3 o'clock is that way. This must be 2 o'clock. Oh, where? Slime. Dang, Hoppy, you getting beat up today. I don't care if you took down the slime or not. You're getting beat up a lot. You got beat up so much that your hat broke. Oh, hat broke. Oh, and Hoppy, since you're gonna enchant. Wait, which way are we? Oh, we're going. I see the torches. You mean 10? You mean XP? I got 11. Hey, there's a cow you can kill. Wait, no, I can kill the cow. And then you... No, if you kill it, you're going to have raw meat. Hold on. Let me kill it for you. I won't take the XP. Ha, and I still beat you. I'm a gangster. Boom. There you go. I didn't have no XP. How will you love it if it's already dead? Look at Hoppy from afar. She looks so small. Yeah. Come on, Hoppy. Are you going slow because you need food? Here you go. Alright, we're going to meet you guys at the kingdom and see you guys when we're there.